So question number 10, you can see each diode has a V gamma of 0.6 volt and the diode D1 and D2 will be on if Vs is 4 option is there. Okay, so you have to find the value of Vs for which both the diode will be on. Okay, so initially let us assume both the diode are off. Okay, so we can measure the open circuit voltage across them. So let us assume this is plus minus VD1 and this is plus minus VD2. Okay, so what is VD1? VD1 basically your Vs into this 5k divided by 5 plus 0.5 means 5.5k. okay, and your VD2 is basically Vs into 0.5k divided by 5.5k, right? So this you can write as Vs into 50 divided by 55, that is 10 Vs divided by 11, and this as Vs, and this is basically 5 by 55, that is basically Vs by 11. okay, so this is VD1 and VD2. okay, you can see that the value of VD1 is very greater than the value of VD2. okay, 10 times. okay, so diode D1 will on first. okay, so when your VD1 is greater than your 0.6 volt, okay, because the diode cut-in voltage is 0.6 volt, greater than equals to, that time you can replace this as a voltage source of 0.6 volt. okay, so your overall circuit will be, it will be a 5k resistor, another voltage source of 0.6 volt. okay, so this is the circuit, okay, for a voltage VD1 greater than 0.6 volt. okay, so from this particular condition you can find the value of Vs. okay, just replacing this particular VD1, okay, this value, you can find the value of Vs for which diode D1 is on, but we have to find the value of voltage Vs for which both the diode is on. okay, so we have to apply this particular condition VD2 now. okay, now you can see as we have replaced this diode VD1 by 0.6 voltage, 0.6 volt of voltage source, now this particular voltage VD2 is no longer this Vs by 11. okay, you have to recalculate this particular VD2. okay, so you can see this particular voltage is basically your VD2 because current through 0.5k is 0. okay, now you can apply KCL over here. okay, so what is KCL? This current, and this is the equals to this current. okay, so what is this current? This current is basically Vs minus VD2 divided by 5k. what is this current? This current basically your Vs plus 0.6. okay, this is the potential over here, and here it is Vs, so Vs minus VD2, this VD2, okay, VD2 plus 0.6 divided by your 5k. okay, and over here it is, this is equals to VD2 divided by 0.5k. you can cancel k in the both side, so after simplifying this particular equation you will get VD2 as 2Vs minus 0.6 divided by 12. okay, now this VD2 must be greater than equals to 0.6 in order to on this particular diode. okay, now you can put this value, that is 2Vs minus 0.6 divided by 12 is greater than equals to 0.6 volt. okay, so you will get, that is basically 2Vs minus 0.6 is greater than equals to 7.2. okay, or to Vs is greater than equals to 7.8. okay, then Vs is greater than equals to, that is 3.9. okay, so Vs must be greater than 3.9 in order to on this both diode D1 and D2. okay, let's see the options. So yes, Vs is greater than 3.9, option D is correct. okay.